In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Marksheet in Excel. We'll build a simple, reliable sheet that calculates totals and percentages for each student automatically, so you only enter names and marks once. Start by opening a new Excel workbook and landing on a blank worksheet. A clean sheet helps you see your structure clearly before you add any formulas. Next, set up your headings along the top row. Type student name in the first column, then subject 1, subject 2, and subject 3 in the next 3 columns. After those, add total marks and percentage. These headers make your sheet easy to scan. If you like, widen the columns so names and numbers fit, and keep all headers on the same row to make formulas consistent. Now begin entering data. Under student name, add each student on a new row. In the subject columns, type their marks as numbers only, no extra text, so Excel can calculate correctly. Keep your scoring scale consistent across subjects, for example, all out of 100, to ensure the percentage calculation makes sense. Let's calculate totals. Click the first empty cell under total marks for the first student's row. Type a sum formula that adds the subject cells for that student. For 3 subjects in columns B through D, your formula will look like ESUM B2D2. Press enter, and Excel will return the total for that student. If you're using a different number of subjects, just adjust the range to include all their subject cells. Time for the percentage. Decide the maximum total possible marks. For example, if there are 3 subjects out of 100 each, the total possible is 300. In the first percentage cell for that row, type E22 is 300, 100, where E2 is the total you just calculated. If you prefer to store the total possible in a separate cell like G1, lock it with dollar signs in your formula as E2 G1 $100 so it doesn't shift when copied. After you press enter, format the result as a percentage if you want it to display with the percent sign, and consider 1 decimal place for clarity. Finally, apply these formulas to the rest of your rows. Select the total marks cell you just filled, then use the small square at the bottom right corner, the fill handle, and drag it down to cover all student rows. Repeat for the percentage cell. If your list is continuous, double-clicking the fill handle can auto-fill down instantly. As you copy, Excel will adjust the row references automatically. That's it. You now have a clean mark sheet that totals scores and calculates percentages with minimal effort.